Happy birthday, Mark Joseph from Uncle.
Happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng mas maraming birthday at sana mas gumanda pa rin yung buhay.
Ingat ka palagi. Sana mag-bless ka ni God araw-araw. Salamat sa lahat ng time na magkasama tayo. Basta yun lang. God bless you. Mama.
Hi, Mark. Happy birthday. Mark. Mahaba ka ng bangsa. Baka pwede ka natin gusto mo. Judy. Palakad din. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday tayo. Bye.
Hi, dude. Yun na, tinapawag ka pa rin magbabago Friends forever, tapos yun. Ano na yun, sabi ko. Basta wala kalimutan. Friends forever, pamilya, ketchup, family half day, FK day. Basta yun, happy birthday, more birthdays to come. I love you. Judy Ann, happy birthday. Stay good. Sana ganyan ka pa rin magbago. Huwag kang makakalimot. Ganyan ka lang. Huwag mo kami kakalimutan. FK day. Thank you. I love you. Birthday. Ano rin? Ay, ako sa'yo, but nakabait ka lalo. Stay talkative. And thank you sa university. Thank you sa lahat. And I love you. Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday, Mark Joseph at Julian Naturin. Sana tumagal pa yung buhay nyo and God bless always. Yung handa nyo dapat matikman ko.
Hi, Julian. Happy birthday. Hope that you will enjoy your day today and have more blessings and enjoy your life and hope that you will find the right person for you. Love you. Bye-bye. Mark, happy birthday. Hope that many more birthdays to come and find the best girl for you. Love you.
Hello, Mark and Judy Ann. Happy birthday. May God bless you, reward you with good health and prosperity in your life. I'm so happy and glad because you have been part of my life and you have been part of COP Dagupan. I hope and pray na maging faithful kayo lagi kay Lord. Huwag kayong magsawa sa Kanya sapagkat hindi siya magsasawa sa inyo. Continue na ipaglaban siya sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa anumang lugar, sa anumang problema, mas masarap ipaglaban si Lord. So, dalangin ko na sa buhay ninyo, siya palagi ang mangunguna sa inyong pag-aaral, sa inyong pamilya, at sa lahat ng endeavors ng buhay ninyo. Continue to serve Him, continue to obey Him, for nothing you do is ever useless, lalo na kapag ito ay para sa Lord. To God be the glory. God bless you. Happy birthday. More blessing, more power, more obedience, more strength, more
Tamang ang masabi ko sa iyo, sa inyong dalawa. God chose you and was not mistaken of choosing you. He chose you not because of who you are, what you have, and what you can do, but because He loves you so much, both of you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Sana magpakabay kayong dalawa and sana God bless sa inyo na sana mas
lumalim pa yung relationship nyo kay God na dalawa, and more blessings and birthdays to come sa inyo. Sana maging masaya ang birthday nyo kahit na yung gift ng pamilya ay simple lang. Sana mapangiti kayo hanggang langit. Then, love you all too. Ingat kayo lagi. Huwag kang mapapabaya na yun, basta alam nyo na yun. Love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Pare, sana magtagal pa yung group natin na UFC. Yan lang.
Hi, Crush! Happy birthday, Mark. Wish you all the best. You know that I love you so much. Keep on worshiping God and God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, Azu. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, kisses. I love you. You know that I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday by Judy. And tumatanda ka na naman. Sana lagi na kumatin ng people. I love you, Judy. Happy birthday. Hi, Ma. Happy birthday sa inyo. Sana i-bless ka ni God. Sana maging faithful ka pa rin sa Kanya. Happy birthday. I love you.
Ilan taon na kayo? Tandaan nyo na, de joke lang. Wish you all the best and God bless. Pray lang kayo lagi. Nandito kami mga kaibigan nyo. More power. God bless.
Happy birthday, Judy Ann, tsaka si Mark Joseph Perez Munoz, Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Alam niyo naman na dyan lagi si Lord sa tabi nyo. Ako na rin, nasa tabi nyo. Pagpatuloy lang natin yung pagiging follower, pagiging isang disciple ni Lord. Tapos yun, alam ko naman mga ugali nyo tapos, yung mga wag mo na yung mga etchus na girlfriend, boyfriend, or anything. Basta focus lang muna tayo kay God. Basta focus lang muna tayo kay God ngayon. Mas paigtingin pa yung relationship. Tapos, pagpatuloy yung mabuting nasimulan. And, yun. Happy birthday ulit. God bless sa inyong dalawa.
Hello, hubby ko. Birthday mo ba ngayon? Malamang. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. 16 ka na.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Mark Joseph, happy birthday. More birthday and blessings to come into your life. Basta good, God first, and thank you. So, happy birthday. I love you.
Life is a road I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever. Wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. To the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Ayun. Happy birthday, Mark Joseph and Judy Ann. Thank you so much for everything. God bless. I love you. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. More birthday to come and God bless. Sana mas lalo pang lumalim yung natin sila. Okay. Happy birthday, Mark and Judy. More blessings and birthdays to come. God bless you. I love you. Bye. God bless.
I wanna be a 100.